Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am okay.
You are okay. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Very good. Today is Wednesday. What is the color for Wednesday? Wednesday, siอะไรคะ?
Green.
Green. Very good. Yes, Wednesday is color green. Okay. So everyone, please sit down and we're going to start our class. Our subject today is mathematics. Okay, so are you ready, grade 3 students?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to start with our class today, which is mathematics. Okay, so get your book with you, Targeting Mathematics 3A, the yellow one. Yellow, okay? So last meeting, we have learned about the place value of numbers or of the digits. Okay, so for today, we're going to have a new topic. Okay, so first, let's have some vocabularies first. Okay, so vocabulary number 1, please follow teacher. Okay, number 1, we have the word compare. Okay. Very good. Number 2, we have the word order.
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 Very good. And number 3, we have the word greater.
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 Very good. And number 4, we have the word less than. Less than.
Less than.
Very good. And number 5, we have the word smaller.
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 Okay, very good. So let's read again one more time, starting from number 1. Okay, number 1, we have the word compare.
Compare.
Very good. Order.
Order.
Greater.
Greater.
Less than.
Less than.
Very good. And last one, we have the word smaller.
Smaller.
Okay, very good, students. Okay, so those are our vocabularies today that is related to our topic today. So our topic for today is about comparing and ordering numbers. So we're going to compare and arrange the numbers from smaller to greater numbers. Okay, so let's start first with comparing numbers and ordering numbers up to 1,000. Okay, so let's proceed to page 17 of your book. Page 17. Okay, so are you on page 17 of your book? Okay, so we have here comparing and ordering numbers within 1,000. Okay, so we're going to arrange the numbers according to smallest to the greatest. So when we say smallest, it is the least number. And when we say greatest, the biggest number. So what number do you see in your screen? We have here 789, 982, and 786. So we're going to arrange. Okay, so we're going to order. Arrange in order from smallest to greatest. Okay, so which number is the smallest? Okay, so we're going to start comparing the greatest place value. Okay, so look at this part of in your book. We have here hundreds, thousand, tens, and ones. Okay, so let's look at the number. Okay, so first number is 717,
Teacher, what place?
page 17 of your book. Okay, so look at these numbers. Okay, so first number here is we have 789. So in the hundreds, we have number 7. In tens place, we have number 8. In ones place, we have number 9. Okay, and next number, we have the number 982. So in the hundreds place, we have 9. In tens place, we have 8. And ones place, we have 2. And last number, we have the 786. Okay, so in hundreds place, we have number 7. In tens place, we have number 8. And ones place, we have number 6. Okay, so here are the steps of what are we going to do in arranging the number. Okay, so we have here step 1. First is compare the hundreds. Okay, so we have here the hundreds, 7, 9, and 7. So 900s is greater than 700s. So it says here that 900s is greater than 700s. Okay, so when we say greater than, this is a big number, the biggest number. Okay, so 9 is greater than, so 9 is bigger than 7. Okay, so 982 is the greatest number. So when we say the greatest number, it is 982. So the biggest number here is 982. So let's move on to step 2. Okay, so step 2, compare the tens. The number of tens are the same. Okay, so look at this on the tens place. The numbers are the same. What are the numbers in the tens place? It is number 8. Very good. Yes. The numbers in the tens place are all the same. So it is 8. And in the ones place, okay, look at this one. Compare the ones. Ones place, we have here the numbers 9 and 6. So what number is greater? What number is bigger? The bigger number is 9. So 789 versus 786. Which number is the greatest? We have 789. So the smallest number is 786. Okay, so the arrangement of these numbers. Okay, so from the smallest number, we have, what is the smallest number? 786. Second smallest number is 789. And the greatest number or the greater number is 982. Okay. So do you understand? Okay. So let's proceed to the next. Okay, so we're going to do this one, a warm-up activity. Okay, so this is on page 17. So we're going to arrange the numbers in number 2 here, which is the smaller number. So in letter A, between 654 and 645, what is the smaller number? What is the smaller number in letter A? Is it 654 or 645? Okay, when we say smaller, okay, look at the hundreds. The hundreds place, we have number 6. So it is the same. Let's look at the tens place. We have 5 and 4. So which number is the smallest? The smallest number in the tens place is 4. Therefore, 5 is the greatest number in the tens place. So 5 is higher than 4. Let's see the ones place. Okay, so in 654, the ones place here is 4. And in 645, the ones place is 5. So the highest number or the greater number is 5 and the least number is 4. Therefore, in the tens place, 5 is bigger. So the smallest number is 645. So please write 645 on the box. 645 is the smallest number. Okay. Next, in letter B, we have here number 801 and 810. Okay. Which is the smaller number? Can someone answer? Which is the smaller number between 801 and 810?
801.
Very good. Yes, we have 801. 801 is the smallest number. Very good, students. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we have, so let's move on to number 3. Arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest numbers. Okay, so, yes?
What page?
Page 17. Page 17 of your book. Sipjet. Okay, so in number 3, we're going to arrange numbers from the greatest to smallest. It means when we say greatest, the biggest number, and smallest is the smallest number. Okay, so in letter A, we have 238, 283, and 383. So, which number is the greatest? The first box is the greatest.
283.
Very good. Yes, we have 383 is the greatest. Okay, because 3 is greater than 2. Okay, so the answer in the first box is 383. What about the next greatest number? What is next to 383?
283.
Very good. Yes, we have 283 because in the tens place, 8 is greater than 3. Okay, so what about the least or smallest number?
238.
Very good. So we have 238. So the arrangement in letter A, we have 383 and 283. Next, last number is we have 238. Very good. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. Okay, letter B, we have numbers 105, 510, and 150. Okay, so which number is the greatest? The biggest number, 801. Is it 105, 510, or 150? Okay, so what number is bigger? 510. Very good. Okay, very good. 510. Okay. Next, greatest number. What number is next to 510? Is it 105 or 150?
150.
Very good. We have 150. Okay, and what about the smallest number? It is
105.
very good. It is 105. Okay. So are you finished with our warm-up activity?
We need now, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay. Let's proceed to page 18 of your book. Okay, so we have here comparing and ordering numbers up to 100,000. So we're going to start with this one. Okay, comparing numbers that are 1, 10, 100, or 1,000, more than or less than. Okay, so when we say more than, this is you're going to add, addition, or plus. Okay, less than, we have subtract or minus. Okay, so we have here thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So these are the place value of each digit. Okay, so we have here 5 stands for 5,000, 2 stands for 200, 7 stands for 70, and 8 stands for 8. Okay, so we have here letter A. Okay, so we have 1 more than 5,278 is 5,279. So when we say 5 more than, 1 more than, it means you're going to add 1 from 5,278 plus 1 is equal to 5,279. Okay, so here it is. Okay, 1 more than, it means 1 plus 5,278. So that's what it means. Okay, so we have here 1 more than. When we say more than, it means add, plus. Okay, so we have here 1 plus 5,278 is equal to 5,279. Okay, because you just add 1 to 5,278. So it is equal to 5,279. Okay, so let's move on to the second one. We have here 1 less than 5,278 is 5,277. Okay, so when we say less than, it is subtract. So you're going to minus. Okay, so here it goes. 1 minus 5,278 is equal to 5,277. So you're going to minus. Okay, so that is less than. So let's continue. So this is in letter A. 1 more than 5,278 is equal to 5,279. And we also have 1 less than, okay, 1 less than 5,278 is equal to 5,277. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. Okay, so the statement there is 10 more than 5,278 is equal to 5,288. So you're going to, okay, one more time. If I say more than, you're going to add. So 10 more than 5,278 is equal to 5,288. Okay, so you're going to add. And the next one is we have 10 less than 5,278 is equal to 5,268. Okay, so when we say less than again, you're going to subtract. Okay, minus. Okay, so 10 minus 5,278 is equal to 5,268. Okay, so let's proceed to letter C. We have 100 more than 5,278 is equal to 5,378. So in here, we add 100 to 5,278. Okay, so in the next statement, we have 100 less than 5,278 is equal to 5,178. So they have subtracted 100 from 5,278. Okay, and then for letter D, we have 1,000 more than 5,278 is equal to 6,278. So they have add 1,000 to 5,278. So it is equal to 6,278. And the other statement is 1,000 less than 5,278 is equal to 4,278. So in here, less than, they subtracted 1,000 from 5,278. So it is now equal to 4,278. Okay, a continuation of our topic, which is on page 18. Page 18. Okay, so we're going to continue about comparing numbers that are in 1, 10, 100, or 1,000 more than or less than. Okay, so please open your books on page 18. Okay, so page 18, we have here in number 2. Okay, so we have here the place values. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, so in thousands, 2 stands for 2,000. 4 stands for hundreds. And 6 stands for 60. And 5 stands for 5 in ones place. So we have the number 2,465. Okay, so we have here a statement which is 10 more than 2,465 is 2,475. Okay. One more time. When we say more than, this means it is addition. Okay, you're going to add 10 to 2,465. So it goes like this. 10 plus 2,465 is equal to 2,475. Okay, so more than, it means addition. So you're going to plus, you're going to add. Okay, and next statement, we have 100.
What page?
Page 18. Page 18 of your book. Okay. So we have here the statement, which is 100 less than 2,465 is 2,365. Okay, so we have here 100 less than. Less than, it means you're going to subtract or minus. Okay, so you're going to subtract 100 from
what page?
2,465. Okay? Okay, so one more time. We are in 100 less than 2,465 is 2,365. So you're going to less 100 from 2,465 and it is equal to 2,365. Okay? Okay, so next is statement. We have 2,465 is 1,000 more than 1,465. Okay, so that statement here, we have 1,000 more than. 1,000 more than, it means greater than 1,465. It means it is bigger. Okay, so we have the statement 2,465 is greater than 1,465. Okay, so this is on page 18. Okay, so let's continue on page 19. Page 19. Okay, so we have here letter A. Okay, page 19 of your book. Okay, so we have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens, thousands. Okay, so these are the place values. Okay, so in ones, we have number 4. 6, that is stands for 60. 3 for 300. 2 for 2,000. And 5 for 5,000. Okay, so we have 50,000. Okay, so we have here the number 52,364. Okay, so we have here the statement 10 more than 52,364 is 52,374. So this one more than, again, it is addition. So you're going to add 10 to 52,364. So it is equal to 52,374. Okay, so let's proceed to this question. Okay, students, we have here 2 questions. Okay, what number is 100 more than 52,364? Okay, so what number is 100 more than 52,364? So what you're going to do is you're going to add 100 to 52,364. It is like this, okay? So what is the answer for 100 plus 52,364? So if we add 100 plus 52,364, it is equal to, okay, what is the number? 52,464. Okay, so that is how we're going to do it. Okay, so next question. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. What number is 1,000 more than 52,364? Okay, so 1,000 more than 52,364. What is the number? Okay, so if we add together 1,000 plus 52,364, what would be the answer? 53,364. Okay, so this is the number that is 1,000 more than 52,364. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. Okay, so this will be the last part of our discussion. Okay, so we have the place values. We have 4, 6, 3, 2, and 5. 52,364. Okay, so we have here 10 less than 52,364 is equal to 52,354. Okay, so when we say less than, this is subtract. Okay, you're going to minus. Okay, so 10 minus 52,364 is equal to 52,354. Okay, so we have the next questions, 2 questions again. What number is 100 less than 52,364? When we say less than, you're going to subtract, right? So we have the statement 100 minus 52,364 is equal to, okay, what is the answer? 100 minus 52,364, it is equal to 52,264. Okay, so let's proceed to question number 2. Question number 2. What number is 1,000 less than 52,364? So we have the statement 1,000 minus 52,364 is equal to 51,364. Okay, so those are the statements that we have. Okay, so we have here the statements 52,264 is 100 less than 52,364. Okay, and number 2, 51,364 is 1,000 less than 52,364. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part of our discussion, which is, okay, on this part. Okay, so we have here on page 20 of your book. Okay, so we're going to read the statements for us to review. Okay, 43,000 is 1,000 more than 42,000. Okay, so in here, the statement, it says here, it is greater. 43,000 is greater than 42,000. So we have the statement, this one. 43,000 is greater than 42,000. Okay, so 43,000 is bigger than 42,000. Okay, so next statement, letter B. We have 41,000 is 1,000 less than 42,000. So we have less than. So 41,000 is smaller than 42,000. Okay, so this is the statement. 41,000 is less than 42,000. Okay, so let's proceed to letter C. The statement says 1,000 more than 44,000 is 45,000. Okay, so the statement is 1,000 more than or plus 44,000 is equal to 45,000. Okay, you just add 1,000 to 44,000. So the answer is 45,000. Okay, and letter D, we have 1,000 less than 41,000 is 40,000. Okay, so the statement is 1,000 less than or minus 41,000 is equal to 40,000. Okay, so in this statement, you just subtracted 1,000 to 41,000. So it is equal to 40,000. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part. Okay, so let's try to move on page 20 of your book. Page 20 of your book. Okay. So let's try to do this one. Do and learn. So we have here letter A, 10 less than 8,650 is what? If you subtract 10 from 8,650, what would be the answer? 8,650 minus 10 is equal to 8,640. 8,640 because we just deducted or we just subtracted 10 from 8,650. Okay, so the answer now is 8,640. Okay, so next we have here, okay, 10 more than 20,174. So when we say 10, we're going to add more than 10 plus 20,174 is equal to, okay, what would be the answer if we're going to add 10 from 20,174? It will be, okay, this one. 10 plus 20,174 is equal to 20,184. So we just add 10. Okay, so the answer is 20,184. Okay, so next is in letter C. Blank is 10 less than 18,741. Okay, so we were going to find what number is less than 18,741. Okay, so the number that is 10 less than 18,741 is 18,731. Okay, so the answer is 18,731 is 10 less than 18,741. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so let's proceed to letter D. 100 more than 49,406 is, okay, so we have here the word more than. So 100 plus 49,406 is equal to, you add 100 to 49,406, it is equal to 49,506. Okay, so let's proceed to letter E. Okay, so we have here, blank is 100 less than 36,959. So what number is 100 less than 36,959? So we're going to less 100 from 36,959. So 36,959 minus 100 is equal to 36,800.
เนี่ยไอดีนะเอาไป
59. Okay, so that is letter E. 36,859 is 100 less than 36,959. Okay, so let's proceed to letter F. Okay, so we have blank is 1,000 more than 51,185. So we're going to add 1,000 to 51,185. So 51,185 is equal to, okay, plus 1,000 is equal to 52,185. So that is the answer for letter F. 52,185 is 1,000 more than 51,185. Okay, so the last letter, we have letter G. Blank is 1,000 less than 61,799. So we're going to less or subtract 1,000 from 61,799. So we have 61,799 minus 1,000 is equal to 60,799. So this is for letter G. 60,799 is 1,000 less than 61,799. Okay, so are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed to page 21 of your workbook. 21, page 21 of your workbook. So we're going to answer together. Okay? Okay, so we have here the first statement. 1 less than 2,104. It means you're going to subtract 1 from 2,104. So the answer is 2,103. 2,103. Okay. Second statement, 10 less than 5,432. So you're going to subtract 10 from 5,432. So 5,432 minus 10 is equal to 5,422. Okay, just follow teacher. Okay, next is 100 less than 6,050. So you're going to subtract 6,050 and 100. So the answer will be 5,950. Okay, 100 more than 7,269. So you're going to add 100 to 7,269. So we have 7,000 okay, 7,369. Okay, next statement, we have 1,000 more than 7,269. You're going to add 1,000 to 7,269. So it is equal to 8,269. Okay, and then the last one, we have 1,000 less than 7,269, you're going to subtract. So the answer is we have 6,269. Okay, so that is for exercise number 1. Okay, so are you finished?
Yes.
Let's proceed to exercise number 2, which is fill in the blanks. fill in the blanks. Okay, so exercise number 2, we have letter A. You're going to fill in the blanks. Okay, so we have letter A. Okay, we have 100 more than 980 is blank. So you're going to add 100 to 980. So what would be the answer? It is 1080. The answer for letter A is 1080. You just add 100 to 980. Okay, so the answer is 1080. Okay, letter B, we have 1,000 less than 9,444 is blank. Okay, 9,444 minus 1,000 is equal to 8,444. 8,444. Okay, so that is letter B. Okay, next one, we have letter C. Okay, in letter C, we have the statement 1,000 more than blank is 4,684. So you're going to add 4,684 plus 1,000. Oh no. You're going to find what number is in here. So you're going to subtract 1,000 from 4,684. So the answer here is 3,684. 3,684. So 1,000 more than 3,684 is equal to 4,684. Okay, so 1,000 plus 3,684 is equal to 4,684. Okay, so let's proceed to letter D. 100 more than blank is 6,942. Okay, so 100 more than blank. So what is missing here? So you're going to subtract 100 from 6,942. So the answer here is 6,842. 6,842. Okay. Letter E, we have 4,806 is 1,000 less than 5,806. 5,806. Okay, so that is the answer for letter E. Okay, so next we have letter F. Okay, blank is 1,000 more than 7,325. So we have the answer here, 8,000. 8,325. 8,325 is 1,000 more than 7,325. Okay, so the last letter, letter G, we have 8,041 is blank less than 9,041. Okay, so the answer here for letter G is 1,000. 8,041 is 1,000 less than 9,041. Okay, so this is the answer for exercise number 2. Okay, so A, 1,080. B, 8,444. C, 3,684. D, 6,842. And letter E, 5,806. Letter F, we have 8,325 and 8,000. In letter G, we have 1,000. Okay, so is everyone finished? Exercise number 2.
Finish.
Okay, very good. So next page, we have page 22. Okay. On page 22, exercise 3. Use the number line to help you fill in the blocks. Okay, so you're going to use this one as your guide. Okay, so the statement for the first one is blank is 1,000 more than 21,000. The answer here is 22,000. Is 1,000 more than 21,000. So the answer for the first blank is 22,000. 22,000 is 1,000 more than 21,000. Okay. And next is we have blank is 1,000 less than 28,000. Okay. So we have 27,000 is 1,000 less than 28,000. Okay, 27,000 is 1,000 less than 28,000. Okay, so next is 1,000 less than 29,000 is equal to 29,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 28,000. Okay, so this is the answer for exercise 3. 22,000, 27,000, and 28,000. Okay, are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so we will continue on page 22, exercise 4. Okay. So we have the instruction, fill in the blanks. Okay, so you're going to fill in the blanks again. Okay, letter A, 1 less than 86,767 is blank. So 86,767 minus 1 is equal to 86,766. 86,766. Okay, next letter B. Okay, letter B. 10 more than 23,585 is blank. Okay, so we have to add 23,585 plus 10 is equal to 23,595. 23,595. Okay. Next, letter C. We have 1,000 more than 40,670 is equal to blank. Okay. Okay. 1,000 more than 40,670 is blank. Okay, so we're going to add 40,670 plus 1,000 is equal to 41,670. 41,670. Okay. Okay, and we have letter D. Okay. 100 less than 56,138 is blank. Okay, so 56,138 minus 100 is equal to 56,038. 56,038. Okay. And letter E, we have blank is 1,000 less than 90,345. Okay, so we have 90,345 minus 1,000 is equal to 89,345. Okay, let's proceed to letter F. We have 21,605 is blank more than 21,505. Okay, so 21,605 is 100 more than 21,505. Okay, and let's proceed to the last letter. We have letter G. Okay, the statement says 73,600 is 1,000 less than blank. Okay, so the answer here is 74,600. Okay, and for letter H, sorry, it's not in here. The answer for letter H, we have 92,468 is blank more than 92,000. Okay, so 92,468 is 468 more than 92,000. Okay, so letter H, the answer is 468. Okay, so is everyone finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is all for today. Okay, so we have just finished our workbook activity for our topic, comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, so next week we're going to continue on our discussion. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you for joining, teacher, and see you again next week. Okay, so have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy your weekend and see you soon. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.